I visited the King Kamehameha statue in Kohala because behind the statue is the old cart house where I went to meet my friends, the Kohala seniors. I could hear them singing. It was a surprise and they were so happy to see me. So I asked them, who's the fastest chef? Big Sugar! Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do pork eggplant. First thing I do, I get one bowl of this, okay? And I put in flour. Just like this. Then in the flour, I put in some shoyu. Some shoyu in the flour. Hey, kind of plenty, no? Hey, high blood pressure! And I mix them all up like this. I make them paste just like that. Okay? Now in there, I mix chopped pork, which I slice 1 3/4 pound pork shoulder at home to make my pork and eggplant tender, tasty, and fast. To keep the seniors' attention, I told them jokes and stories. One of my jobs is clean the toilet. You know my grandpa, you know why? Because my grandmother told me, if you clean the toilet, you come good looking. Can you imagine? I would be more ugly than this. But I don't like stop now because if I stop now, jam up. What if tomorrow that kind of spell work? Mix the pork in the flour shoyu mixture. So this is how it look like. You see right there. I mix them all up. Now I get the pan. Okay, put on the fire. And then I use olive oil. You know why I use olive oil? It's more healthy, you know. My cholesterol was 230 at one time. And then I started using olive oil. For the past maybe 8 years, it's only like 160. Okay, then I put this in here. I stir fried it until the pork will cook and a little crispy on the outside. Then I added 6 eggplant, which I thin sliced at home so it would cook faster. All the eggplant cut like this, okay? The pork is cooked, I put in the eggplant. And inside here, I put in some oyster sauce. And I put in this garlic powder. And I put in a little sugar. A little bit. Oh, everybody go, oh! Stir them all up, okay? What did I forget to put in? Oh, mirin. I was going to bring sake, but everybody go, hey! Put in some. I know, you guys going to dance around. The last thing I'm going to put in here, chicken broth. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do something extra because I look at plenty of people over here. So I'm going to put in a aburage. That way make them stretch out. That's how a plantation style. Right? You make them stretch out. I sliced the aburage in small pieces. Okay? Plenty aburage. Plenty. You know why I put plenty? I got them free. So I let it cook for